What's the difference between I used to and I'm used to in English? I used to mean I did something in the past that I don't do now. I used to buy my groceries every day, but now I don't. I buy them every week.
I'm really thirsty. I used to dehydrate as a kid.
I used to think that my life was a tragedy.
My wife used to say I'm a hard man to know.
I used to think I should quit.
I used to think you were an idiot.
I'm used to mean something is part of my routine. It's normal for me. I'm used to getting up early. It's part of my everyday routine, and it is normal for me.
Sometimes the place you are used to is not the place you belong.
Of course, I am used to being around kids as I am the proud older brother of 6 adopted siblings. 6 adopted siblings.
I used to keep secrets